Alright, so here's how to change content on Instagram Explore page. So first of all, just open your Instagram. Now click on the profile icon on bottom right corner and go to these three lines on top right corner. Just click on it. And now just click on your activity. And here, click on account recent searches. And now just click on clear all and click on clear all. Alright, go back. Again, click on these three lines. Scroll down and as you can see under what you see, click on content preferences. And here click on reset suggested content. And here click on next. Click on reset suggested content. And after that click on reset suggested content. Alright, now make sure you have deleted all the things inside this interested and not interested. And also click on sensitive content. And here make sure you have selected less. Not standard, not more. Make sure you have selected less. Now go back again. Also what you can do, you can tell Instagram algorithm that I like this post and start engaging with what you like. So just click on this search and here click on the post what you like it, comment it, and the post which you don't like, just click on it and click on these three dots and here click on not interested. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.